Hello students, we have started practice set 2.3 in which we have completed till question number 2. Okay, today we are going to start here question number 3. Let's read what is given here in the question number 3. Classify the given pairs of shirts into like shirts and unlike shirts. Here we have given a pair of shirts and we have to classify between like or unlike. Okay, here terms comes that like or unlike. Firstly, in any of these shirts, okay, to be like, the radicand and order should be same. Okay, if two shirts are there with same radicand and same order, then those two shirts can be called as like shirts. If one of them is different, then we can't say that these shirts are like. Okay, both of the order as well as radicand should be same in the following shirts. So then we can say that these shirts are like shirts. Okay, these shirts are pair of like shirts. Okay, if one of them is different, then we will say that this pair of shirts is unlike shirts. Okay, let's read question sub question 1. Here we have given two shirts. First one is, here we have given root of 52. Okay, and second one is 5 root 13. Okay, first tell me, first search has order how much? Okay, order is not mentioned here, so order is 2. Okay, in the second search, what is the order? Is it 5? No, because 5 is outside that sign, radical sign. Okay, 5 is here coefficient, okay, constant, and here again order is not mentioned, that is order is 2. Okay, so here both the shirts have the same order, that is 2. Okay, first of all we will manipulate first shirts. Okay, here 52. Can 52 written as the multiple of 13? That is 13 into 4. Okay, 13 fours are 52. Okay, and here we get here two numbers, that is 13 and 4, and square root on both the number, but we know that the square root of 4, okay, it is predefined, but square root of 13 is predefined? No. Okay, so here we know that what is the square root of 4? That is 2, and square root of 13 is not predefined, so we will write as it is. Okay, so here root 52 can be written as 13 into 4, and the square root of 4 comes outside. Okay, that becomes 2, and root 13 remains at it as it is. Okay, so here we get 2 root 13, and our second number, second third is that 5 root 13. Okay, so here we will write that root 52 comma 5 root 13 is equal to, root 52 can be written as 2 root 13, and 5 root 15 cannot be simplified further after this step, so we will write as it is, that is 5 root 13. Okay, so now we have to look these two shirts. Okay, here 2 and 5 are the coefficient constant. Okay, and order, both the order of the shirts are 2. Okay, and the radicand are also same, so these shirts can be treated as like shirts. Okay, because like shirts are those shirts which contain, which carries same radicand as well as same order. Okay, so here we will write that in both the shirts, okay, in both the shirts radicand and order are same, so here we will write order and radicand are same. Okay, here we have to write the statement which implicate here reason. Okay, so here we can say that root 52 comma root 5 root 13 are like shirts. Okay, we have to solve by this method. Okay, let's do second question. Okay, here we have given again two shirts. Okay, first one is root of 68 and second one is 5 and root of 3. Okay, 5 into root of 3. Okay, second search is simplified, okay, but we can manipulate first search, okay, we can simplify it further, okay. So here root 68, okay. How in which part we can break 68? 17 fours are, okay, 17 fours are 68. So here we can write root 68 in the form of 17 into 4, okay, and we have predefined value, that is square root of 4, that is 2, okay, and we do not have the predefined value of 17. So we will write root 17 as it is, and we will here put root 4 outside that root in the form of 2, okay. So here root 4 can be written as 2, okay, because square root of 4 is 2, and root 17 we will write as it is, okay. And second search is simplified, so here we will write that root 68 comma 5 root 3 is equal to, root 68 can be written as 2 root 17 and 5 root 3 is simplified. So here we are not going to solve that simplified search, okay. So here in statement we will write that in both the search, okay. When we are comparing both the search, we are getting that order of both the search are same, okay. Here order is 2 and here order is 2, because the order is not mentioned here. And when we are looking at the radicand, we are seeing that radicand of both the searches are different. In first we are getting radicand as 17, in second radicand is 3. So here we will write in both the searches order is same, okay, but order is same but radicand is different, okay, radicand is different. So here in starting of this question number 3, I told you that if any of the, whether it would be order or radicand is different, then the pair of searches are unlike, okay. For being a pair of like searches, we need both of the order as well as radicand to be same, okay. Here one is different, so we will write that root 68 comma 5 root 3 are unlike searches, okay. Let's do third question. Okay, look at the third question. What is given here? 4 root 18 and 7 root 2. Again, second search is simplified, so we are going to manipulate first search, okay. Here first search is 4 root 18, okay. 18 can be written as the multiple of 9, is it? Okay, so here we will write that 4 root 18 can be written as multiple of 9, that is 9 into 2. Here one question should be arise, that why can we not write 18 and in the multiple of 6, okay, because 6 3 ja also 18, okay. So here why we write here that 9 into 2 multiple of 9, because here we are dealing in the root, okay. So we need that we need at least one number whose square root is predefined, okay. So here we write that 18 can be written as multiple of 9. If we wrote 6 into 3, then the square root of 6 as well as square root of 3 is not predefined, okay. So here root 9, again it will come outside, then it converts into 3, because square root of 9 is 3. So outside 4 is also present. So when root 9 comes outside that square root, it will multiply to the 4, okay. So here 4 root 3 into 2. So here 4 root 18 can be written as 4 3s are 12 root 2, okay. So here we had two sorts. First one is 4 root 18 and second one is 7 root 2, okay. 4 root 18 we simplified it, we got 12 root 2, and second search is simplified form. So here second search we will write as it is. Now in both the order, in both the surds, okay, in both the surds, what we are observing here, that order, okay, order of both the surds are same as well as radicands are same. So here we will write order and radicand are same. Okay, in both the surds order and radicands are same. Okay, so here 4 root 18 comma 7 root 2 both are same. So here we can conclude that these surds are like surds. Okay, let's do question number 5. Okay, in question number 5, here two surds are given. First one is 5 root 22 and second one is 7 root 33. Okay, we are observing that these two radicands, that is 22 and 33, that comes in the table of 11. Okay, we can write 22 as the multiple of 11, that is 11 twos are, okay, but 11 and 2 both are the square root of 11 as well as square root of 2 is not predefined. Okay, so this can't be simplified further this step. Okay, let's move on second source, that is root 13. Okay, root 13 can be written as the, okay, second search is root 33. Okay, root 33 can be written as the multiple of 11 again. Okay, that is 11 threes are, but square root of 11 as well as square root of 3 is not predefined. So here both the surds can't simplify further after these steps. Okay, so here we will write that both the surds can't be simplified further. Okay, both the surds can't be simplified further. So as we are observing, these surds order is same, but we are getting different radicand. Okay, so here we will write that in both the surds, okay, both the surds, what is same? Order is same. Okay, but radicands are different. Okay, both are different. So here we will conclude that 5 root 22 and 7 root 33 are unlike surds. Okay, by this question today we completed total number of 4 questions, that was first, second, third and fifth, and remaining 2 questions, that is fourth and sixth, you have to try by yourself. Okay, if you have any difficulty then ask me on WhatsApp. All the sums which included in question number 3 you have to solve twice because it's very important. Okay, thank you for today.